So here within 1E Patch Insights, we can see the filters at the top, or we can see our entire estate and what the current patch status is. I'm going to focus on a subset of these devices, around 35. So here we can see that a Pacific Kubelet update has installed on several devices but has failed and vulnerable on others. And same moving down, we can see all the cumulative updates on this particular event and the status of those. So straight away, looking at this update from 22H2, I can see why this has failed and what the required action is to reboot the device. So I can go ahead and do that at a future date, or I can actually force that patch to be reinstalled on that device as well. So by clicking the deploy button, I get to choose which different deployment mechanism to use to deploy that: Windows Update for Business, ConfigMgr, or WSUS locally. As well as we can look from a device point of view to understand which devices are compliant and which devices are need some attention, and how many vulnerabilities ultimately are on different devices. So digging into a device with several vulnerabilities, we can see there that several patches haven't been deployed, some have, and there's some failures and even a reboot pending or none. So very important to understand from an individual device level or from a high level what actions need to be taken. So we can see with this particular patch has been downloaded, but for whatever reason hasn't been deployed. So again, I can force that patch to be deployed from within the platform. So jumping back to the main screen here, looking at what visibility I have, we're able to understand our patch in real time, remediate issues, and get to compliance quicker, all with Patch Insights.